line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
And on the Red Alliance, Bread firing their preloaded note along with Alliance partners Highlander. Bread going back for a second, a third, all hitting their mark so far. A fourth making it into the speaker, rushing towards midfield. They have a fifth on their robot, and it does make it into that Red speaker as well. A total of 5 notes scored in autonomous for Red, many of them courtesy from 5940. And that means that although Blue scored 3, Red starts with quite a bit of a lead. Blue starting to make that up, however. Buchanan Birdbrains trying to drop a note off in the amp. Lose hold of it, but quickly pick it up again. And this time, it almost finds its mark. And their alliance partners, Paradise Robotics, coming back with a note. And Red, meanwhile, already has their speaker amplified with several seconds remaining. 5940 stealing a note from the Blue source, not quite getting it into the speaker, but they do find another over by their amp, and that one does score in the Red speaker. And so far, the Blue Alliance has activated that cooperation button. Red has yet to do so far. And now Blue has their speaker amplified. Paradise getting one scored, several seconds left to try and come back with another. However, it looks like Blue Alliance facing some defense over on the far side of the field. However, Paradise this time makes it back with that note, scoring in the Blue speaker. And they're on the hunt to pick up another. Notes are scarce on the field at the moment. Teams having to rush back and forth from their human players. However, Red gets one more note scored in an amplified speaker. Bread running into Paradise as they come back and scoring one more. That means with a minute in the match, Red Alliance has about a 22-point lead. Soon to be just 20 as Paradise score in that Blue speaker. And 1671, their alliance partners come in for the Blue amp. And it looks like Blue is indeed ready to amplify as soon as someone comes back towards the speaker. And Bread, meanwhile, scoring this time in the amp for the Red Alliance as their alliance partners Highlander score in a now amplified Red speaker. And in fact, both of our alliances at 30 seconds left have their speakers amplified. Buchanan Birdbrains getting in the speaker for Blue. And Paradise coming in as well. That one not quite finding its mark. However, we are now into the end game period, the final 20 seconds. Blue managed to get one of their stages spotlit, and Pumpkin Bots preparing to grab on. Red, meanwhile, we see Bread and Highlander both up in the air, and Bread gets a note scored in that Red trap. We have just 3 seconds left. Looks like Pumpkin Bots parking for Blue, and Red finishing with 2 of their robots on stage. Winners by a score of 83-57. And Red Alliance earning a total of 3 ranking points from that match.
And now